I'm just currently having a lovely one-on-one with Keeley, who's right by me. I don't normally get to have her this close to me for a long period of time on her own. It's really nice, hasn't it? Yeah. She's really sweet. She's a really good mum. She's always keeping an eye on the eggs and keeping an eye on Kermit, even though she doesn't tend to spend any time with him. She's still always looking over at him, making sure he's doing things proper. You're the forgotten bird, babe, because you always spend all your time in your nest, don't you? Looking after all these eggs. I'm so sorry don't hatch. It's lovely having her so close to me. Especially, are you wanting your trip around my flat now? Because both Kermit and Kevin have had tours around the entire flat. I think she's wanting to go on hers now. Maybe soon, babe, but not right now. Okay? I have no idea whether she can understand me. But they seem to have a grasp of what I tell them, which is weird. I just love having her so close. We hope you're having a lovely day, no matter where you are or who you are.